when I was 6. I jumped into my mom's house.
This is an aluminum dock or plastic?
Plastic.
Oh, I thought this was. I never knew what this was.
See all the stars off to the right?
Yeah. Wait, that's the Big Dipper.
Don't take a picture, take a video.
I did.
Did the dog go in the lake?
Yeah.
Tail on the end of that one. I was trying to get, I got that in my video too. There's another one back here too. I mean, they're not.
I bet you almost everybody on the lake is watching.
Scott's actually a decent one.
That was cool, Jen, over there.
Uh-huh.
Over here, so up in here. See that little funnel kind of deal? Got...
No,
Oh, that was good.
she's coming out right now. You wanna make sure she gets out here?
She
She's coming. I can go help. You can watch.
Look at that.
I may go back.
Like, where is everybody? I thought you were all hiding. Mary, where are
That was a
you?
great one.
Okay. Here's
That's the best.
oh.
Right up in there.
Yeah, that was the other one. We retrieved the one that was on fire. The other one, Mom and I.
Oh, that was a good one.
I think they got that on. Everybody's trying to get in
We're on a
here.
metal dock.
I know.
Speaking of fireworks, these are the best fireworks I've seen in my life.
Right. So, put on a flag.
Fireworks.
Okay, people.
And look back here at all the stars in the blue sky. We're completely in the clear.
Oh, there's blue sky stuff.
Okay, get in.
That. What's the flash?
They're cool.
Yeah. That was me. No matter what, you can also see my pajamas.
Somebody's on my head. Holy.
That's me.
Sorry, I didn't know that was going to light up everybody.
It's fine.
Is it better to take a picture with that?
I know.
All I know is that it's really pretty.
Oh, that's without. That's with.
I see something in the clouds. I see a frog's face in the clouds.
Delaney. moving. Okay. Yeah.
That's the
Oop, here's your Big Dipper, Delaney. Over here, hon. Here's the handle goes behind the tree.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the Big Dipper.
I thought it was over there.
Nope.
That's just as I know.
Is over there anything?
Something, but I don't know what that one is. Yeah, let me tell you, I got my
Okay.
Constellation
yeah.
app.
sky view.
I bet you can just point it and
That
it'll.
is Sagittarius.
Okay, whatever he is.
He is this. Oops, hold on. Oh, there,
Oh.
shooting the arrow.
Wow.
So you can see the bow
Yep.
and then
Oh my gosh.
that cool.
Yeah.
And right behind it. So that bright one is there's Mars and Saturn should be right there next to it.
Okay.
That's pretty cool.
Mars and Saturn are right there.
Pretty
Oh, that explains the red
Ooh,
dot.
that was a good one, Jen.
There's
are
a
you
red dot
videoing?
right there, so
That would
that
be Mars.
must be it.
Yeah.
I can see Mars from here, Mama.
Cool, D. Good job.
Skeeters are coming out.
Yeah, because it's over. It's so mesmerizing.
It is.
You know what you're gonna say to it?
Yep.
Where?
Inside the cabin.
I thought you were saying
Pretty awesome. Yeah. I don't know either.
thank you.
Jenny's like really good. Oh.
Teenage girl.
How do I view the burst?
Wow.
Every picture. Oh, it's so much prettier at sunset. And the lightning's like pink and purple and orange. Red.
You just hold down for a burst.
Mm-hmm.
And I had to pull it down a little bit. Probably like that. And I've never done a burst, but I think I probably like that.
I think I just pulled it down. Where did you see that? I think like the people that just started out fine. They didn't. Yeah. Probably
Man, they
died.
were
They could have.
the
And
ones
they're-
who went through thunderstorms and were like, yeah, you know what? Let's not ever do that again.
Yeah. 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 Let's figure out a way
This is what
to
happened.
find out.
This is what happened when I flew through it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's scary. Yeah. Let's not do it. Okay. If you could put this to music,
Wow. Yeah. You
I'm
could.
thinking of Pink Floyd.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
What? Did you hear that, Maddie?
Fish just jumped right underneath you.
Another brick in the wall.
You just got getting buzzed by mosquitoes now.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
Super awesome. Way cool.
dreams.
Sweet dreams. Night, Mads. I'm ready for bed, Mom.
All right, sugar. 1 second.